Hi yogis, thank you for joining me today. Today we are learning Sarvangasana, the shoulder stand, and this is one of the most powerful and rejuvenating yoga poses, as well as my own personal favorite. And this Sarvangasana is called the Queen of All Asanas because it benefits the entire body. So let's begin. Lie down on your back, arms beside your body. Inhale, bend your knees and bring them towards your chest. And exhale as you lift your hips. And support your lower back with your hands. Slowly extend your legs upwards, keeping them straight and aligned. Keep your chin tucked in, but do not force it. And just breathe here. And the legs and especially the knees don't have to be super straight. It's better when you let them loosely hang because the energies can flow easily when we're not holding any muscles tight there. So energy starts to move from the top of the legs, from your toes, all the way to the top of the head. And this asana is very powerful, not only because we are working with the whole body and it benefits the whole body, but because this is one of the only asanas that is directly working with our throat chakra. And our throat chakra governs the communication, self-expression, truth and confidence. So, in other words, saying and showing up to the world as our true authentic selves and not being afraid to say what we mean and express ourselves. So, on the physical level, with this asana, we're improving blood circulation, especially towards the brain. We are strengthening the shoulders, arm, legs, and core. We're stimulating the thyroid and parathyroid glands, and this is directly supporting our hormonal balance. And we're also enhancing digestion and metabolism. And we are also working with the nervous system. We're calming it down and we're reducing fatigue from the body. So now you know why this is called absolute queen of asanas. But now when we're focusing on the emotional and mental benefits, then this is very important too. We are reducing stress, anxiety, and mental restlessness. This improves your focus, clarity, and inner balance. And we're promoting the sense of calm and relaxation. So when your mind and body are feeling calm and relaxed, then you're in a state of allowing, and then your life force energy will just naturally find its way to balance, and areas where you need more opening, balancing, or cleansing, then this energy will just clear itself out and find balance within the body. Because again, your body is very smart and knows how to do all of that, knows how to heal yourself, and you just need to be in the state of allowing. So now let's just relax here. And if you want to take a break, then you can, but I recommend you do this exercise every day. Start with maybe 2 minutes, then 3, 5, and up to 8 minutes, because 8 minutes a day, 8 minutes in a row, where this asana gets its most benefit from the body and to the body as well. So try your best, but don't worry, you can practice every day and it will get easier. So now just relax and hear my voice. I speak my truth with clarity and confidence. My voice is strong, clear, and aligned with my inner wisdom. I express myself freely and authentically. I am open, honest, and fearless in my communication. My words create harmony and positivity. I listen deeply and speak with love. Speaking my truth is easy. It is easy for me to express myself. I am always at ease when I speak. I am always at ease when I speak my truth. Being honest is easy and natural for me. I speak with power. I speak with confidence. I speak with ease and calm always. Thank you very much. Now you can slowly rest your legs down and make yourself way back up. And I recommend you do this practice once in the morning and once in the night. So twice a day would be optimal. And also one thing that I didn't mention before is that this asana, it will give you amazing youthful energy and youthful look as well for the physical body. So if you want to be healthier, happier, calmer, more relaxed, speak with ease, and just feel light and amazing, then follow this practice and try it out for yourself. And you don't have to start with 8 minutes. Start with what is comfortable for you today. And otherwise, I wish you a beautiful day and see you soon. Bye.